Investment alert. Titled Lot for Sale in Coastal Grove, Orani, fast appreciating area. Secure your spot in one of Orani's most prestigious addresses. We are offering a titled, ready-to-build lot in Coastal Grove. As Bataan continues to grow as a major economic hub, properties in high-end gated communities like this are seeing consistent appreciation. Perfect for savvy investors or families looking for a safe, high-quality environment. Status: clean title, updated taxes, and ready for transfer. Proximity: easy access to Roman Superhighway and Subic-Clark-Tarlac Expressway, SCTEX. Investing in Bataan in 2026 is no longer just about buying land, it's about positioning yourself in the middle of the Philippines' next big economic corridor. Here is why Bataan, and specifically Orani, is a powerhouse for investment right now. 1. The game changer, Bataan-Cavite Interlink Bridge. The most significant driver of property value in the region is the Bataan-Cavite Interlink Bridge, BCIB. The impact: once completed, this 32 km mega bridge will cut travel time between Bataan and Cavite from 5 hours to just 45 minutes. Property appreciation: as of 2026, the project is in active pre-construction, early implementation stages. Historically, land values in areas near major bridge landings, like Mariveles and nearby towns like Orani, skyrocket as the project nears completion. Buying now means catching the pre-opening price surge. 2. Emerging industrial and tech hub. Bataan is evolving from a quiet province into a high-value manufacturing center. Semiconductor and electronics. The provincial government recently launched the One Bataan Semiconductor and Electronics Summit, January 2026, to attract global tech firms. Freeport area of Bataan, FAB. With expansions in Mariveles and satellite zones in Hermosa, there is a massive influx of professionals and expats looking for high-end residential housing, like Coastal Grove. 3. Decongestion of Metro Manila. As Metro Manila becomes increasingly saturated, Bataan is the primary beneficiary of the northward shift. Accessibility. Thanks to the SCTEX and NLEX, Bataan is seamlessly connected to Clark International Airport and Subic Bay Freeport. Quality of life. Investors are choosing Orani because it offers a coastal suburban lifestyle, fresh air and seaside views, without sacrificing the convenience of being a short drive from major city centers. 4. Strong tourism and rental demand. Bataan is a top-tier destination for historical tourism, Mount Samat, and ecotourism, beaches in Morong and Bagak. Airbnb potential. Data for 2026 shows a rising demand for short-term rentals in gated communities. A lot in Coastal Grove isn't just a place to live, it's a potential income-generating asset for vacationers looking for a secure home base. 5. Government stability and vision. The One Bataan vision aims to make the province the top investment destination in central Luzon by 2030. Infrastructure priority. The local government is highly proactive in streamlining ease of doing business, making it safer and faster for investors to process titles and construction permits compared to other provinces. Property details at a glance. Project: Coastal Grove, high-end residential. Location: Orani, Bataan, minutes from Roman Superhighway. Status: titled and ready for transfer. Phone interested in a site viewing or reservation? For pricing, computation, and exclusive site tours, please contact Rosa